Ready to blend your way to perfection? Welcome to our guide on the best countertop blenders. From creamy smoothies to hearty soups, we are showcasing top-performing blenders that combine power, versatility, and style. Whether you're a kitchen pro or just getting started, we've got the perfect pick for you. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. Osta Pro 24-ounce 1200 watts countertop blender. This Osta blender stands out for its combination of power, quality, and affordability. Equipped with a robust 1200-watt motor, it can effortlessly handle tough ingredients like kale. Its heavy-duty glass pitcher is both dishwasher-safe and resistant to thermal shock, ensuring durability and convenience. Additionally, the blender includes a 24-ounce plastic cup that attaches directly to the blade base, making it easy to create single-serving smoothies for on-the-go enjoyment. However, this model only offers 3 speed settings: low, medium, and high, along with 3 preset programs: smoothie, milkshake, and salsa. Despite these limitations, its budget-friendly price makes it easily replaceable if something breaks, or if you decide to upgrade to a more feature-rich blender. For example, the Osta Pro 1200 offers additional versatility with a food processor attachment for those willing to invest a bit more. This feature allows the blender to automatically adjust to the ideal speed and power level, whether you're blending frozen fruits, crafting hot soups, or preparing other recipes. The included 24-ounce smoothie cup also adds convenience, letting you blend and take your drinks to work, school, or the gym with ease. Number 2. NutriBullet 1200W Countertop Blender Combo. This well-priced, high-powered blender stands out for its versatility and value, offering 3 different jars to meet a variety of blending needs. It includes a large 64-ounce pitcher for family-sized batches, and 2 personal-sized cups, a 32-ounce cup and a 24-ounce cup with a convenient handle, making it suitable for both bulk blending and single servings. A dedicated extract button uses pre-programmed variable speeds to create perfectly blended smoothies. During testing, it delivered uniformly smooth kale smoothies in all 3 jars without any flecks, and easily powered through frozen strawberries to produce an evenly processed and delicious daiquiri. The compact base is comparable in size to other NutriBullet models and features suction cups on the bottom to keep it stable during use. For personal blending, the blades attach to the top of the cups, which are then inverted for blending. Be cautious when detaching the cups, as unscrewing the blade instead of the cup can lead to spills. While it may not achieve top-tier performance across all metrics, its versatility and thoughtful design make it a standout choice. The balance of price and functionality, combined with its ability to handle non-traditional tasks, makes it a fantastic value for smoothie enthusiasts and beyond. Number 3. Vitamix 5200 Professional Grade Blender. Vitamix blenders live up to their reputation, and the 5200 model is no exception. Known for its industrial quality build and impressive wattage, this blender boasts 1380 watts of power, enabling it to pulverize ingredients in seconds. While it's ideal for homes rather than smaller apartments, due to its size and weight of just over 10 pounds, its performance is unmatched. If you're looking for a gift for someone who regularly makes smoothies, they'll certainly appreciate this blender. The only accessory included is a tamper, a rod-shaped tool designed to stir ingredients if they get stuck during blending. The Vitamix 5200 is not just for smoothies. It's incredibly versatile, able to blend soups, make nut butters, prepare non-dairy milk, knead pizza dough, and even make baby food. Its 64-ounce container offers ample space for large batches, making it a great all-in-one kitchen tool. We particularly recommend it as a gift for those starting a family, as its adaptability will easily transition from cooking meals for 2 to preparing pureed foods for a baby. Pros: easy-to-use dial control, strong Vitamix durability, easily blends fibrous ingredients, large capacity main jar. Cons: quite loud at max speed. Number 4. Vitamix E310 Explorian Countertop Blender. Vitamix has long been considered the gold standard in high-performance blenders, renowned by professional chefs for its power, design, and durability. While their blenders are expensive, the exceptional performance and long-lasting build justify the premium price. The Explorian series represents Vitamix's entry-level offering, providing impressive power at a more accessible price point. Though not cheap, it costs hundreds less than the brand's flagship professional series. In our side-by-side testing, the Explorian performed nearly as well as its more expensive counterparts. Boasting 1,400 watts of power, it easily tackles smoothies, sauces, dips, soups, doughs, nut butters, non-dairy milks, and more. What truly stood out to us, however, was its ease of cleaning. Just add a drop of dish soap and hot water, then run the blender for a few seconds. This worked even after blending sticky peanut butter. The control panel is simple, offering 10 speed settings and a pulse function, but it lacks preset programs. The 48-ounce pitcher, made from durable, BPA-free plastic, is slightly smaller than some other models, but it's still large enough for most tasks and is dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. Number 5. Ninja HB150C HB152 64 ounces Foodie Heat IQ Blender. Some high-powered blenders feature a soup mode that uses the friction from the blades to warm ingredients, but the Ninja Foodie Heat IQ takes it a step further with a built-in heating element that can cook food during, before, or after blending. Powered by a 1,400-watt motor for blending and an 800-watt heating element for precise temperature control, this blender offers impressive versatility. It comes with a variety of preset programs, allowing you to simply add raw ingredients, press a button, and return later to a perfectly cooked soup. When the heat function is off, it performs like a powerhouse blender, capable of making smoothies, cocktails, sauces, and much more. The heating element is integrated into the pitcher, which means cleaning is a bit trickier since you can't submerge it under running water. However, the blade and inner components have a non-stick coating, and the blender features a self-cleaning function that requires just water, a few drops of dish soap, and the included brush to get the job done. Additionally, it comes with a tamper for easier blending of thick mixtures. Pros: inexpensive, cooks and blends, many preset programs. Cons: difficult to clean.